Alright. Alright. What's going on, guys? This is Art of Coding, and today I will start a PHP series from the scratch, and this is going to be a quick introduction about PHP. So PHP is an acronym for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, and PHP is widely used open source scripting language, and PHP is free to download and use, and created by Rasmus Lerdorf, and this is that guy who created PHP. Current version is about 7.2.11, which was released in October 11th of 2018. Okay, PHP is a server-side scripting language, as I told you in the previous slide, and usage of PHP we take server-side HTML DOM manipulation you can do using PHP, and what that means is that you can HTML DOM manipulation can be done by using JavaScript. You guys all know that. But in here, PHP also using PHP because it's a preprocessor of HTML. So you can do server-side DOM manipulation using PHP. I'll get onto that in the later videos, how to do that using PHP tags and all. So you can do session management as well, because you're communicating with server and back to client end, so you're gonna have to keep a communication channel between the client and the server, so you can manage a session, but using okay, this session is open to specific client for specific period, like that. This is very useful when you're doing like a let's say e-commerce application where you have a carting system, like you add some things to cart and you try to purchase that, and that's just a simple example what you can do with session management. And this is used to database driven web application development mostly, and LAMP stack. This is an industry standard called LAMP stack. What LAMP stack means is that Linux, A for Linux, A for Apache, and M for MySQL, and P for PHP. That's the full stack. The full stack developers use LAMP stack to develop using PHP as their base programming language to do LAMP stack full stack applications using web applications using PHP. And PHP can be used in any OS, of course, because this is because this is server side on the server. Also, it can be either Linux or Windows Microsoft Server. This one you can use that using Apache. Of course, PHP runs on Apache, as you all know, and yeah, and it also uses wide range of database support. You can use MySQL SQL Server, or just CouchDB, MongoDB, shitload of databases. Okay, and I'll get on to those things later on the series. And prerequisites before you begin on PHP coding: you need WAMP or XAMPP installed, and text editor you like, a little bit knowledge about MySQL databases, browser to debug the code. That means WAMP or XAMPP is actually used for the full stack. I mean, you don't need to go ahead and install Apache and MySQL and PHP into the PC. It just does that all for you. It's like a full package that comes with Apache and MySQL and PHP. That's why this says that you can see it's either WAMP or XAMPP. You have these three layers: Apache, MySQL, and PHP. That's what this AMP means. Okay, so I'm using WAMP, and shit, let's go. Oh, I'm using WAMP. I'll show you how to download WAMP. You can download WAMP server. Just type in in here you can download that. You have to download this, and download that and set up that. After you download that, you can go to your C drive and navigate to RAM64 and www. This www folder will be created when you install VAMP, and then inside this www folder that we're gonna do our applications. So that's it for today, guys. I will bring you another video on how to get set up VAMP and everything and up and running to safest hello world application on PHP. Until then, have a pleasant one, and may the source be with you.